Good morning everyone, back with Miss Uni again. Okay, today I got a help from Pippi the panda. Pippi got a heart for you. Do you like it? Today Pippi and I going to review about picture graph. This is the example of a picture graph. You can see on the left side there is numbers of books and then the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And also the important notes at the bottom of the graph. This one. Each circle stands for 5 books. I repeat, the important information usually at the bottom of the graph or at the top of the graphs. So you have to be careful in reading the graphs. On this graph, the important information is each circle stands for 5 books. Do you understand? The picture graph shows the number of books borrowed by some students from Monday to Friday. So we can see on Monday there is 1 circle, which means 1 times 5 is 5. On Tuesday there are 1, 2, 3 circles, so it means 3 times 5 is 15. And then on Wednesday, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. So 5 times 5 is how many? Yes, 25 books. And on Thursday, there are 1, 2, 2 circles. 2 times 5 equals to 10. So on Thursday, there are 10 books. How about on Friday? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circle. 4 circle times 5. 4 times 5 equals to? Yes, 20. Do you understand? So it is very important for you to take a look at the information at the bottom of the graph, like this. Okay? Let's go to the first question. They borrowed 15 books on... Okay, so you have to be careful on this kind of questions. They borrowed 15 books. Miss, there is no 15 circles over here. Yes, there is no 15 circles. So what do you have to do? Remember that each circle stands for 5 books. So if there are 15 books, you have to... Yes, you divide it. 15 divided by 5 equals to 3. So which day has 3 circles? Yes, it's on Tuesday. 1, 2, 3. 3 circles. So they borrowed 15 books on Tuesday. Do you understand? Okay, again, if you know the number of the books, to find out the symbols, how many symbols are there, in this case the circle, you have to divide. So 15 divided by 5, which is 3. So the answer is on Tuesday. Okay, how about this question? The students borrowed blah 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 books on Friday. So how many books is it on Friday? Now, in this case, we don't know how many books. So we have to see from the graph. Take a look at the graph. On Friday, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles. Remember that each circle stands for 5 books. So it means 4 times 5 equals to 20. So the students borrowed 20 books on Friday. Okay, so again, if you don't know the number of the books, you have to look at the graph. But if you know the number of the books, like the previous question, you have to divide it with 5. But in this part, because you have to see from the graph, there are 4 circles, you have to multiply it instead. So 4 times 5 equals to 20. Next, they borrowed 5 fewer books on Monday than on... Okay, in this kind of questions, we have to take a look at the graph. Okay, we know that there is 5 fewer On Monday, then on what day? So first, we have to take a look at Monday. Okay, take a look at Monday's graph. On Monday, there is only one circle, so it means only 5 books. So only 5 books. Which one is the fewer part? Is it on Monday or is it on the other day? Yes, the fewer part is on Monday. You have to take a look. On this kind of questions, you have to see this information, the 5 belong to the first information, not on the second information. So the 5 fewer, the one that is fewer is on Monday, not on this day. Understand? In English, again, so the information of the 5 fewer or later 5 more or any numbers belong to the first information, not belong to the second one. So in this case, since Monday has fewer, how many fewer? 5 fewer. So it means the other day has more. Again, if the fewer is on Monday, so the more is on this day. Who has 5 more than Monday? Remember, 5 means 1 circle. So who has 1 circle more than Monday? 1 circle more means 2 circle. Which day has 2 circles? Yes, it's on Thursday. Thursday has 2 circles. So they borrowed 5 fewer books on Monday than on Thursday. Do you understand? How about this question? They borrowed 15 more books on Wednesday than on... Okay, again, in English, you have to pay attention on the information. The number here, is it belong to Wednesday or is it belong to here? Yes, it's belong to Wednesday. Remember, the number here is explaining the first information, which is Wednesday. So, who has more? Wednesday. How many more? 15 books more. Do you understand? Okay, next. Since Wednesday has 15 more, it means this day has more or less? Yes, it has less. So, if Wednesday has more, this day has 15 less. Okay, take a look. Since each circle stands for 5 books, it means 15 divided by 5 is 3. So, we take a look at Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circle. Okay. Now, since we have 3 circles more on Wednesday is 3 circle more. So this one, 1, 2, 3. So it means what day has 15 less or 3 circle less? So let's see. Does this one has 3 less? No. Until here, right? Is this? No. How about this one? Yes. So if you take away 3 circles, the leftover is 2 circles. Which one has 2 circles? This one. So this one is on Thursday. So they borrowed 15 more books on Wednesday than on Thursday. Do you understand? Okay. So basically you have to understand the sentence. This number, the more or the last part, is belong to the first information. Which one is the first information? This one. On the sentence, they borrowed 15 more books on Wednesday than on something. So the first information is Wednesday. So the more part here is belong to Wednesday. Okay? Now let's go to the next question. 2 times as many books were borrowed on Friday than on what day is it? Okay, now on this case, you have to be careful. You have to pay attention on the sentence information. They are the one that I colored blue. 2 times and Friday. Now, please understand the sentence. 2 times as many books were borrowed on Friday than on something. Again, in English, when you have information like 2 times or like fewer or more before, they belong to the first information, which is Friday. So which one has 2 times? Friday. Friday has 2 times. It means the other one has how many times? Since Friday has 2 times or twice, it means the other day is lesser. Or you have to divide it with 2 to get this part. Now take a look on Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circle. 4 circle is 2 times. So how to find 1 time? So easy. 2 times, right? 4 is 2 times. So 4 must be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the answer is 2. Which one on this day has 2 circles? Yes, on Thursday. So Friday has twice as many books than Thursday. Do you understand? Now on this case, 2 times as many books were borrowed on Thursday than on, again, if you have this kind of sentences, you have to pay attention. The 2 times belong to Thursday. So if Thursday is 2 times, so this one means 1 time. So what do you have to do? Take a look on Thursday. Thursday has 2 circles. Thursday is 2 times. So 2 circles divided by 2, you get 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Which day on this graph has 1 circle? Yes, it's on Monday. So let's take a look. If you put Monday here, it means 1 circle. 1 times 2 is 2. So is it correct? Thursday has 2? Yes, it's correct. Do you understand? Okay, this is my short videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.